Hello everybody, my name's Ritchie. I'm still sculptor master in Kent. I just thought I'd bring you up to date with one of my projects. A lady sent me a picture, her own artwork, and that's basically what I've based this particular dragon on. So it was a difficult build, and I've made a much longer film on step by step how I put this together. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll find all the details there of me making this thing. But I just thought I'd give you the overall picture. I had to make a number of feet for this. This is going to sit on a log in someone's garden that I've been unable to visit. So I made a cut of different types of feet so I can actually attach it. And I've managed to get the pose. It's taken me quite a long time to get this just right. So if you want to see me making this thing and putting it together, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll find me doing a stage-by-stage breakdown of me doing this. It's back from the powder coaters and the galvanizers now, so I've yet to paint this thing, but that's where I am now. I'll be doing a film of me painting it as well, I'm sure. Okay, so look, stay safe everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, tick the likes. Oh, and leave some comments. Love the comments. All right, everybody, stay safe now. Be good. Bye.